In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Steam profile look cool. If you want your profile to stand out and look more polished, the good news is that it doesn't take a lot of complicated work. With a few simple edits, you can make your Steam page feel cleaner, more personal, and much more visually appealing. To get started, open Steam and head over to your profile. From there, click on Edit Profile. This is where you'll find the main customization options that control how your profile appears to other people. If you've never explored this section before, take your time and look around, because most of the changes that make a profile look better begin right here. Once you're in the edit area, the first thing you'll want to focus on is your avatar. Upload a high-quality avatar that fits the look you want. A clear image instantly makes your profile seem more intentional and professional. Try to avoid blurry, stretched, or low-resolution pictures, because those can make the whole profile feel unfinished. Whether you choose artwork, a logo, or a character image, make sure it's something recognizable, even at a small size, since profile pictures are often displayed very small across Steam. Next, add a custom profile background. This is one of the easiest ways to give your profile more personality and make it feel unique. A good background helps set the tone of your page and can tie everything together visually. Try to choose something that matches your avatar or overall style, rather than something overly busy or distracting. If the background is too chaotic, it can make the profile harder to read, so a balanced design usually works best. After that, write a short, clean bio. This is your chance to add a bit of personality without making the page feel cluttered. Keep it simple and easy to read. A well-written bio doesn't need to be long. In fact, short bios often look better because they feel more organized and polished. You can mention your favorite games, your playstyle, or just a brief line that reflects your vibe, but make sure it stays neat and intentional. When these elements work together, your Steam profile starts to feel much more cohesive. A strong avatar, a matching background, and a clean bio can completely change the impression your profile gives off. That's it for this guide. Make those small upgrades, keep your design consistent, and your Steam profile will look a lot cooler in no time.